Are you ready to have some deals? Are you ready?
We're very excited about this idea of incubation.
My name is Austin Farrington, and my idea is TrackBank.
We are seeking an investment of $7,000.
$5,000 for 5% equity ownership in my business to launch my company website.
One of the first things you'll notice on the site is a hotness indicator. And unfortunately, Kirk did not receive that hotness indicator.
So Falcons,
who wants to get in bed with us?
Who wants to put their money in a trace case?
You're going to have to market this in a bigger way to make sure that you own the proposition and the idea.
I'm out for tonight, but I'm very interested, and I love your logo. I love Park Shark.
You got a deal.
all right,
Got a deal?
here you go.
Got a deal, all right. Hot dog.
Great job. Good done.
Thank you.
It's as easy as that.
See you next year for Hatch 2017. Good night.